traffic is still light on both lanes of the North Luzon Expressway. Both lanes are still fast moving. This could be considered as the calm before the storm as travelers are returning home this Sunday afternoon. But so far, traffic is still generally light aside from a few toll plazas and interchanges. Now, let's look at the Bocaue Toll Plaza, one of the choke points this Holy Week. As you can see, you're now seeing ambulant outlets, but if you're going to look at the northbound lane of Bocaue Toll Plaza, the heavy buildup is seen over there, cars and buses coming from the northern provinces of Luzon. But if you're still at the Tarlac Toll Plaza, you can see there's no build-up there so far. You cannot expect long lines when you get at the Tarlac Toll Plaza. But if you're now at the Balintawak interchange, there's not so much hassle over there. Balintawak is the end point of the North Luzon Expressway before EDSA. Authorities are expecting a 15% increase in the volume of vehicles plying to the on the North Luzon Expressway this Holy Week. This is coming from the 250,000 daily average volume. So always remember, buckle up and drive safely. Back to you.
Rex, it's really the calm before the storm. How are authorities going to handle the massive volume of vehicles today? What time is the heavy traffic expected to peak? Okay.
Authorities are saying that they're ready to handle the sheer volume of vehicles which are expected by this late afternoon. They're saying that on standby are emergency ambulance tellers, extra tow trucks, and extra personnel. And they're also saying that they're aiming to respond to any incident in just less than 10 minutes. Back to you.
Rex Remitio reporting from the North Luzon Expressway.